Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Fortiva credit card. The Fortiva credit card is designed for people who have poor or limited credit history and may not qualify for traditional credit cards. One of the main advantages is that it does not require a security deposit, unlike many other cards for rebuilding credit. It also reports to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, helping cardholders build or repair their credit score through responsible use. The pre-qualification process involves only a soft credit check, so checking eligibility won't hurt your score. The card offers cashback rewards, giving a higher percentage back on purchases like gas, groceries, and utility payments, while offering a small percentage on all other purchases. These rewards are applied as statement credits, which can help reduce your balance, but there are no options for redeeming points in other ways, such as travel or gift card. Despite these benefits, the Fortiva credit card has several drawbacks. It comes with an annual fee that can be high in the first year, and in some cases, a monthly maintenance fee is added after the first year. Interest rates are also significantly higher than those of standard credit cards, making carrying a balance very expensive. Some users have reported poor customer service and unexpected fees, which can be frustrating to manage. Overall, the Fortiva credit card can be helpful for people with limited credit options who are looking to build or rebuild their credit. However, the high fees and interest rates make it costly, so it works best for those who can't pay their balance in full each month and want a credit primarily for credit building purposes. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.